Hey guys, it's Carlos from BubbleBall again. So as you can see here, we have two awesome bubble balls standing by my side. I inflated them about 5 minutes ago. They probably have a hole. So I'm going to show you guys how to repair a bubble ball. My first recommendation if you're going to try to fix a bubble is you need to inflate it to the max. Fast forward this part, it'll get really boring. Be back in a flash. We got the bubble inflated, and I'm going to show you guys how we're going to find this hole. What I recommend is we do the swipe and slide. Take your hand and swipe and slide all throughout the bubble. That is what we call a hole. So inside the repair kit, we have things called patches. Inside of here, there's two different kinds of patches. This is actually TPU. This is a TPU repair kit. Really easy to use and apply. Now before you apply any patches, make sure you get an alcohol swab to swab it down. Simply wipe off the dirt, peel off the awesome adhesive patch, and swab it on there. So I'm gonna pull this up and let's see if it holds. Later guys.